FreshBooks is a popular accounting software that makes professional invoicing simple for freelancers and small businesses. Here's a step-by-step setup. Log into your FreshBooks account. Customize your brand. Go to Settings, Gear Icon, Branding. Upload your logo, choose colors, fonts, and add payment terms or notes. Set up payment options. Go to Settings, Payments. Connect Stripe, PayPal, or bank account for online payments. Enable automatic late payment reminders. Create your first invoice. Click Send Invoice from the dashboard. Add client or create new. Enter line items, description, rate, quantity. Apply taxes if needed. Set due date and invoice number. Save as template. After creating one invoice, save it as a recurring template for regular clients. Send and track. Preview, then send via email. Track status, sent, viewed, paid from the Invoices tab.